Okay, I'm going to go over 7, 8, 9, and 10 on week 19 math review sheet. So, number 7 says a bedroom has the dimensions shown. What is the area of the bedroom? Okay, so we know this is 156 inches, and down here is 18 feet. Now, to find area is length times width, but we have to do something before that because we can't do that with those two numbers. We can't multiply these two numbers because they're in different units. This is inches, this is feet. So in order to solve this problem, we first must convert, um, we must have the same units. Okay, and if I look down my answers, they have it in square feet. Okay, so this is 18 feet, so I need to convert 156 inches to um, feet. So if we were looking at this, so I know I need to make this, I need to convert that to feet. Okay, and I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay, so in order to convert the inches to feet, I'm going to have to divide. Okay, so set up your problem. Okay, and by this point, you should be able to do the division at this point. Um, so once you do your division, you then put that new answer, whatever it is, would replace the 156 inches. And then at that point, you could then multiply the two to get your area. Don't forget in your area, well, they give you the choices to pick from A, B, C, and D. So you don't have to worry about that. But so again, you have to convert inches to feet. So we're dealing with the same units. In order to do that, 12 inches equals 1 foot. So I need to find out how many inches are in 156 feet. Once I do that division, you would then put that answer, replace that answer here, and then you would then multiply the two numbers. Okay, so that's number 7. Let's look at number 8. It says a drapery rod to hang drapes is 82 inches long. What is the length in feet and inches? So again, a drapery rod to hang drapes is 82 inches long. What is the length in feet and inches? Okay. So it's 82 inches long. And now we have to, again, just like the previous problem, we have to convert. We have to convert the inches to feet, and then the remainder will give us the inches. So I know that up here, that 3 feet equals, um, oh, excuse me, 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay? So if I have 82 inches, I would divide it by 12. Okay? So once you're at that point, you then just you do your division. Okay? So, this is where you can do guess and check it first if you're not sure how many times 12 can go into 82. It doesn't matter as long as if we do it if we use the partial quotient method. So let's just say you just want to do 12 times 5. Okay? So 12 times 5, just doing it off to the side, would be 60. Okay? So say I pull 5 units out, that's 60. It's 2, that's 2. Okay? How many times can 12 go into 22? Well, I know 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. That's too high. So I know it has to be 12 times 1. Okay, so 1 unit out. 12 times 1 is 12, 0, and 1. Okay, so now here's my remainder. So it's smaller than my divisor. So I know I'm finished with my problem. This is the remainder. So I add 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then I have a remainder of 10. Okay, so it's 6, remainder 10. All right, so we went through that one together. So your answer for that one is done for you. You will have to do a similar one on the back. So that's number 8. Okay, let's look at number 9. Number 9 is which word describes this shape? Choose all that apply. Okay, so again, you can refer back to your planner. It has a good help section for these type of questions. So describe all that apply to this shape. You have quadrilateral, you have rectangle, you have parallelogram, and you have rhombus. All right, let's look at the last one, number 10. It says Kyle has a total of 36 unmatched socks that are either red, black, or brown. There are 11 unmatched red socks and 4 times as many unmatched black socks as brown socks. How many black socks does Kyle have? So let's look at this one. Okay, so I know I have 36 socks, unmatched socks. I know I have 11 unmatched red socks. So they give me some information right from the get-go. So I know I have 36 unmatched socks. I know 11 of the unmatched socks are red. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 36 minus 11. And that leaves me 25 socks left over that are either brown or black. Okay, but the problem tells me that I have four times as many unmatched black socks as brown socks. So I think last week on the review sheet, I drew pictures because that's one way of solving this problem. Today we'll look at a different way. Drawing 25, pictures that's a lot. So I know I have 25, brown or black. I know that I have 4 times as many black socks as brown. So I need to ask myself, because I only have 25 socks. So if you think, well, I have to multiply, that's going to give you a high number. I only have 25. So I'm not going to have 50, I'm not going to have 100. If you multiply 25 times 4, you're going to get 100. That's no good because 25 that's what I have left. Okay, so I know I have 4 times as many. So what I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to do a division problem. I'm going to ask myself, what can go into 25 4 times? Oh, excuse me, no. Take that back. Let's look at it this way. Okay, so I have 25 brown or black, and I need to figure out, let me put my note over here, I have 4 times as many black as brown. Okay? That's important to know for this problem. So, okay, so I have 25. I have 4 times as many black as brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 5 go into 25? Okay, so that gives me 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. So I know I'm going to break this into groups of 5s. So let's say I have 5 groups here, 5 groups here, 5 groups here, 5 groups here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5 groups here. Okay? And it's kind of similar to the picture that we drew last time. So I know I have 4 times as many black. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that equals the number of socks that I have left, which is 25. Now I know I have 4 times as many black. So 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I do brown. So these would be my black, and then that would be my brown. Okay, so the number of black I have are 5, 10, 15, 20. So black is 20. Okay, so that's number 10. That's number 10.